Hello, Isaac Praha. As you probably know, I'm right now in Bulgaria on international conference, EuroExpo. And just for you to see what opportunities Isaac can give you, um, probably for free if you're on some good position or if you work a lot. You can visit a lot of countries, meet a lot of people not only from Czech Republic but also from other countries, as you'll see in this video. So go for it, work hard, and you'll travel too.
Hey guys, for you who don't know me, my name is Kika, I'm from NC level and I'm your coach, is Isaac Prague. I'm with your LCP Ondra on EuroExpo. We are really enjoying it, and I hope that we will see you soon on next LC meeting.
So hello LC Praha, I'm Yana and I'm the president of LC in UM Thessaloniki in Greece. And if I have to give you an advice, is to challenge yourself every day there in order to make your country a better place and never stop trying for that. And from my side, I really want to thank you for the people that you are, because you're people that are starving every day to make Europe a better place. So keep going and keep calm.
Dobre rano, Isaac in Prague. My name is Daniel and I'm the LCP for Isaac in Bucharest. The main thing that I realized during this conference is keeping the essence regarding how LCs are working together within the international cooperation. I'm officially launched a cooperation with your LC. I truly believe that we have the capability of working together and see how we can build on what has been done so far. How can we learn, and which are the good case practices that are really meaningful within our two LCs. Thank you very much for your approach. We will. I'm pretty sure that we will find a way to work together.
Hey guys, my name is Nikki, and I'm from IC Budapest University from Hungary. I'm an ICP, and I'm here at EuroExpo, which is a conference for an international platform where we could meet with other ICers, and it was a huge experience for me because I could just experience the other souls, the others' ideas, and we could just create something together. So I just encourage you to take actions and to meet people from international network, because they just share the same ideas and share the same visions. And this is all that Isaac is about. So good luck and take care.
Hello Prague, this is Ayken. I'm LCP of Isaac in Istanbul in Turkey. I know that we both are very ambitious and very patient LC, so this year we are going to grow together.
Hi, Isaac in Czech Republic. How are you guys? My name is Anna and I'm the president of Isaac International, and we're here in EuroExpo, in which I got the chance to talk to a lot of delegates and share a lot of stories. But then one of the stories that I'd like to share with you was actually when I was just like you, a member in the organization and facing very similar challenges. I was studying, I was working full time, I had a boyfriend, I had a lot of friends to keep up, I had a lot of things going on. And then in that moment, I was taking a lot of my time. But then the reason why I decided to take up all those challenges was because of my first interaction with ISA. I had only 3 weeks in the organization, and then they assigned the first task ever. And it was to pick up a trainee in the airport. And I'm like, that sounds like fun. I'll get to practice my English. And yeah, I pick up the guy who was actually from Czech Republic, from a small city called Český Krumlov. And yeah, and then in the car, like the first impression that I got is like, oh my God, he's so tall. And like, it was like probably one of like the few foreigners that I've ever met in my life. And like when we were going back to my house, because he stayed in my house, like we were talking about the differences between our countries, and then I thought that Europe was extremely big. But then when he got to find out that my city was 4 million people, he was shocked about how my city could be so big. And I'm like, oh my God. So that was like a very weird moment and a cultural shock for the both of us. And I think it was a very cool moment. And moreover, like what was even more funny is that in the same year, the second trainee arrived, and he was also from Czech Republic. He was from Olomouc. Yeah, like the first guy was named Ondra, and then the second one is Jiri. Both of them, I still talk to them like people that I'll keep in my heart forever, and they helped me to get where I am. Because just by picking up those trainees, by helping them around, like showing them the city, I got to discover a lot about the other culture of Czech Republic, a country that I've never personally been, but I feel that I know so much thanks to them. And they helped me to get where I am right now. Because even like, for example, Jiri mentored me in many ways and helped me to be a better leader at every level of the organization. So this is the power of trainees can do in your life. And I think that this is one of the examples of how Isaac can help you to become a better person. So I wish that you have very similar experience with people from all over the world, and that you keep becoming an even more wide and global citizen. Bye-bye. Take care.